I am fighting a few coffee stains on my lower teeth, and I've been looking for a really great tooth whitening product. I have tried quite a few, but I have always wanted to try these trays, so I just got the MySmile Tooth Whitening Kit, as this is not just the whitening gel, but it actually comes with one of those trays, the LED trays, and I am really excited to try this out. Let's check it out together. Now here's what you see when you open the kit. You get 3 vials or syringes of the whitening gel. You get the whitening light. This is the part I'm super excited about. And then you get your whitening tray. And then it also comes with these covers for the syringes, so you don't have to use all the gel in one go. And it comes with this brochure and instruction manual. And the first part of it is actually this whitening shade guide. And this is going to help you mark where your teeth are right now and where your teeth get to at the end of using this whitening kit, so you can really track the difference you're having. And it has the greatest troubleshooting guide I've seen in a long time. This is a really nice visual way to go over any questions people might have with nice clear answers and pictures. And then the actual instructions are on the back here. It says specifically you want to use it for 7 days, no longer, and it walks you through the steps on how to use it. Let's do this. Now the first thing I want to do is take the plastic off the battery in the light. And as you can see, the batteries just fell right out, but there are 2 batteries here. I'm going to pop those right back in. And it is beeping at me as I'm doing this. Twist that back on. This is ready to go. If I hit this button, yep, it turns on, and it turns off when I press the button off. Then I want to attach the mouthpiece, and this really does just go right onto it. The mouthpiece feels kind of like a just clear silicone plastic. It's super soft and rubbery. So now that's ready to go. And then it wants me to add a 0.5 milliliter of the whitening gel to the top and the bottom of this. And so to do that, I'm just going to twist off this little cover and put on one of the applicators here. And these really do just push right in, and then you want to twist to make sure they stay on. And then they have these little covers. I'm not going to want to lose this cover just so I can keep using it. I could also take this off and put the top back on. Just depends on how often you're using it. If you're at the end of your 7-day run and you want to try to keep this, maybe you do that. But I have a feeling you want to use all of this up. So this is ready to go, and it does have measurements along the side. It tells you 1/2 milliliter all along the side. So you're just going to push to each of those lines on the top and bottom. Top first, I'm just going to push it right in here. And I'm putting it on the part where my teeth are going to be, the front of my teeth, that is. You don't want to just put it down on the base, as then you're not actually whitening where you want to whiten. So now the top's ready. Now I'll do the bottom, same thing. Okay, that's ready to go. So now all I need to do is put this in my mouth, and then once it's in, and this is against my teeth, I press this button, and it's going to run for 10 minutes. It will turn off automatically. It's going to beep at me, and once I take it out, then I'm going to spit and rinse, and then not eat anything staining for an hour. So let me put this in and give it a try. I just finished my 10 minutes, and I have to say that was so much faster than any other teeth whitening product I've used. So often they need 20 to 30 minutes, and the fact that this LED light lets it go so much faster was really, really nice. And because of the way it's designed, I am not feeling any irritation at all. And I also didn't experience the really gross experience I usually have with the gel wraps, where it's kind of oozing and I feel like I have to spit or drool or something gross. This I really didn't notice at all. I just typed at my computer, it beeped at me when it was done, and I rinsed it out. And I took this off of the LED light so I could clean this completely. And I do love this detachable, as you don't want to wash this piece, you only want to wash this piece. And while this is the first time only, my teeth already are looking whiter. I am already noticing a difference. That is so cool. And I would say my only complaint with the entire thing is really on me. I found myself biting down too hard on this, and so I can kind of feel my jaw right now that I was clenching a little too hard. That is my own failing. Definitely don't need to bite down hard on this. It stays in place really nicely. This is very light. This is nice and rubbery, so you can bite on it. You just don't need to bite that hard. And overall, for a first experience, this is really, really cool. I do understand why it has such rave reviews, and I cannot wait to see the differences that I'll get after 7 days. The MySmile Teeth Whitening Kit is really cool.